Hi, I'm Taylor Hagler. Hyundai's IONIQ N models bring electrified performance to the road and track. And as part of the experience, you can adjust many of the performance settings of your IONIQ N. Before changing settings, be certain to go through the complete N tutorial in your vehicle by selecting N mode, then the menu icon, and then tutorial. N eShift and N Active Sound Plus work together to deliver an engaging shift feel and sound. N Active Sound Plus provides a choice of futuristic powertrain notes through 8 internal and 2 external speakers. This feature will automatically turn on when N eShift is engaged. For other drive modes, you can select if it is on or off, plus choose the theme being used when it is on. Select N mode, then Performance Options, and then N Active Sound Plus. Here, you can adjust the interior volume of the system. You can also choose from a selection of different sound themes. Once a theme is selected, you can then adjust settings within it, such as interior sound adjustment, whether the external speakers are turned on or off, and whether high-performance sound effects are engaged. Some of these settings may not be selectable based on the drive mode currently in use. That's because N Active Sound Plus functionality varies depending on the drive mode selected. In Eco or Normal mode, external speakers and high-performance sound effects are disabled. Sport mode will allow the external speakers and high-performance sound effects to be turned on or off. And when in Custom 1 or Custom 2 mode are engaged, you can choose to have external speakers and high-performance sound effects turned on or off. Here are a few things to keep in mind when using N Active Sound Plus. To comply with regulations, external speakers will not operate in low-speed zones or certain areas identified by the navigation system. Exterior sound volume is fixed and cannot be adjusted. This is to ensure compliance with local laws.
For more information on the features of your IONIQ N, be sure to consult your owner's manual available at My Hyundai or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to watch all the IONIQ N videos on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and at My Hyundai. You're going to want to know everything about these special vehicles. They're a lot of fun.